Hey everybody, welcome back to Resident Evil 4 Remake. Alright, so we left off, we lost Ashley, right? I think that's what happened last.
Nothing but the finest way.
Let me just check if
Welcome.
we had anything new here.
Buy it.
I don't think so, right? I think in the last video we did everything we could. I wonder if I sell this emerald, do I get the request, or do I need to get the request first? I don't know. Fuck it, let's see.
This is what I'm
Okay, got it.
Don't get yourself killed now.
Okay, noted. So even if you do the request without getting the request, you still get the thing. That's good to know. Okay. Yeah, in this part, this is not good. Now, okay, so, okay. All right. As I was saying, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to edit that. I was way too fast. As I was seeing yesterday, I was seeing some gameplay, specifically of this part, where you hear that? That's a lot of people. Where he basically made his way through this whole place without even like getting noticed. So, oh wait, do I have blur activated? I don't know, it looks kind of weird. It does have blur, right? Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me just... Options. Where is it? Is it controls, camera, when aiming, motion blur. It is off. The fuck? I don't know. You gave me that blurry thing. Okay, so we're gonna try to do it sneaky. That's not good. So we're going to hold on first. Okay, yeah. I just wanted to make sure we had the knife, so we can. Oh my god. Yeah, just I'm not here, so we're gonna go over here. I mean, as long as we kill the red-coated monk, we're good. And then we're gonna take out this guy. Perfect. And then we're gonna come over here. I don't even want to touch the boxes. I don't know if that alerts them. So we're just gonna come over here, and then we're gonna take out this guy. That's a lot of people down there. And then what he did, we don't have a flashlight. I mean, a flashlight, a flash grenade. We can make one. So the guy, what he did was basically threw a flashbang. Then he killed the monk. So fuck it, let's do it. And then he take this. So we're gonna do this like that. I don't think they're gonna see me. They're way too busy just vibing. Alright. And then we're gonna come over here. And what he did, he basically just threw one of these, flashed everyone else, and then just that, and then this, and then just fucking gunned him down. Piece of shit. Okay. Ooh, fuck. Okay. No, the main issue that I have is that I want to make sure that they don't kill me. Oh my god. Fuck! Oh, it didn't do any damage. Okay, good. Ooh. My biggest concern are the guys. Oh, I killed him. I killed the plagas. Oh, perfect. Okay, this guy. Okay, I'm gonna deal with him later. Holy fuck. Oh, wait! Oh, really? Didn't do anything. Ah, you piece of shit.
Out of the way.
Okay, you have to go. Oh my god, okay. Oh shit. I don't know if you heard that, but they were saying cerebro, cerebro. I haven't heard them say that. They say that in the original one. I didn't know they say that in here too. That went awesome, by the way. That went perfect. I think you can pretty much outrun them. Like once you kill this guy and then get the treasure off of him, you can just run through to the door. But I mean, yeah, because the real problem begins when he continues, you know, with a chant of Gloria a las Plagas, and then you have to kill like freaking a bazillion of those things. That's where the problem arises. Okay, we're good. So yeah, that one awesome, by the way. This run is going great. I mean, minus some minor inconveniences. We're doing really good. Oh, let me just... I think that's a treasure. No, there isn't. Okay. I know that we need Ashley for this part. Okay, this is just another way. Alright. Okay, I just want to make sure it's safe, because the castle is one of the parts for some reason that I remember the least. So like, I mean, of course I remember the original one, but I just I kind of don't remember like all the details in the remake. I do remember this part though.
You can stop right there, Leon. Wouldn't make me use this, would you?
Well, after 6 years, that is one hell of a greeting, Ada.
You don't seem surprised. Interesting.
Try using knives next time. Better for close encounters.
Not a bad move. Very smooth.
So who are you working for this time?
Oh, Leon. You know I don't work in town. Leave the girl. She's lost no matter what. You walk away now, and who knows? Maybe you'll live to meet me again. And then I might get you that greeting you were looking for.
You think I'm gonna give up that easy?
Right. How about we continue this discussion another time?
Okay.
Last person I thought I'd run to here.
Yeah, so I think everyone is talking about just Ada's new voice actress. Now, I mean, I gotta admit that the original, the one for Remake 2 was, to me, it sounded a little bit better than the Resident Evil 4 Remake. But it's good. Like, I mean, I get where the hate. I mean, maybe hate is a strong word, but I do understand where the discomfort comes from, right? Do I have all the? Oh yeah, I do. I do get where this discomfort comes from, but I mean, to be honest, she didn't. It wasn't that bad. Like I believe people is just making it seem a lot worse than what it actually. Oops, what it actually is. You know. God damn it. The fuck? Wait. I think these two are changed. Okay, what the fuck? So, oops. Wait. I'm not. Oh no! I see it. So I need to match the. Oh, I never noticed that. I need to match the square or the symbol. I never noticed that. I actually just did this like without even thinking about it. So where's the shield that has the? Oops, that's not it. The shield. Okay, square shield goes here. This should go here, and this one should go here, and this one should go here. Perfect. Okay, that for the first time I actually understand what that puzzle is about. I usually just focus like on the image, but I never pay attention to the like the surround, like the square and the shapes basically. But as I was saying, you know, the oh, I don't think I have to kill those rats. I'm not sure, but just for good measure.
All right. Need to find Ashley.
Come on, piece of shit. The fuck are you? Okay, just sit still. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's weird. Like she's not a bad voice actress. It's just it sounds kind of flat. Hear the signal echo through the mountains. Rock become gravel, and the castle walls crumble. Behold the crimson shade of the night sky. A river of tainted blood befouls the sea. Sacrifice your life and the blood of your enemy. Atone for your ancient sins. Whatever that means. Okay. Oh, you heard that? That doesn't sound fun. I mean, that sounds like a huge problem. Oh, yeah. Exactly. I missed a lot of treasures, so before going to that beautiful adventure, let's just go back. I missed 3 treasures, by the way. So there were 2 here. This is a brewery? Oh, the bindery. I thought it said brewery. I was like, what the fuck? No, there are. Okay, there's one there. See it? Silver token, and then there's one like right. Oh, there's this one. Okay, and should be another one in this other room. Alexandrite. Okay. So here we're gonna fight a new enemy. I mean, new enemy for the remake. I mean, it wasn't the original one, but it's a little tweaked. In my opinion, this version, the remake version, is way better. Like it looks the same, but it's just the attack pattern is a little bit different. Son of a bitch! There's a small key. Fuck. Let's just go back. Yeah, you saw it, right? You saw the enemy. It. If you remember in the original one, it basically like burst out of the head of the enemy, and then it'll just like walk around, hit you from time to time. It was kind of annoying. Brass pocket watch. Thought there was something there. But yeah, in this game, it behaves a little different. It does walk around, but it does have a different attack, if you could call it like that. Okay, let's go here. So just be prepared with a shotgun for this part.
Christ.
Yeah. Screw that shit. Nope. Oh, you cock. No. No, get off him. Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck is going on? Ooh. Okay. That scared the shit out of me, dude. Yeah, so they basically jump onto the backs of the enemies and they just like control them, I guess. But they made them run like really, really fast. So as if we're not fast enough, they made them even faster. So I think it's a really cool design. I mean, it's annoying. It's really annoying, but sure, you scared the shit out of me, dude. Don't do that again. I think it's a really cool design. I see a lot of people there, so let's see what you have. You have nothing new, literally nothing new. So let's repair. Oh, we haven't used a knife. Repair that.
Give that the care it deserves.
Let's increase the ammo capacity
See how that feels.
and the rate of fire. I want to have to like have everything even, you know. Makes me feel better. The rate of fire. I mean, it shoots pretty fast as it is, so I don't think that's needed. Reload speed, ammo capacity, power. Let's do power, because
This kind of work is about finesse, stranger.
yeah, whatever you say, buddy.
Goes a
Shut
long
up, shut up,
way to
shut
your
up.
well-strung.
Okay. I do have, you know, we can combine these two. Inlay, we have. Do these count as the same color? I mean, they're red, right? Duo bonus? Is that what the? Oh yeah, 2 gemstones of the same color. Okay. Right. Extravagant clock. Sure, why not? And then this one, I mean, we have. I don't know. I mean, I already did the achievement, you know, for selling like 100,000 or something like that. I don't even remember, but I don't know.
Give yourself welcome.
Sell.
Thank you. Pleasant travel.
Let's save. So I'm gonna save here just in case. Again, I mean, everything has gone smooth. Like the other videos have gone really well, but I'm still paranoid. As a lot of people. So should I buy the other scope? I feel that these should be. You know what? Fuck it. Let's buy the other scope.
Welcome.
Buy. Where's the other thing? Oops.
That cash in your pocket or your life.
Hold on.
Easy choice.
Where's the You don't have it anymore? Uh-oh.
You'll get some bang for your buck, I guarantee.
Oh, you don't have it anymore. I didn't know it was like a time-only thing. Wow. Do I have it? Oh, no, wait. I think it's a trade, right? Oh, yeah, it's a trade. Oh, I got scared, dude. Okay. High-powered scope. A high-powered optical scope with 3 stages of magnification can be mounted onto rifles and some automatic weapons. Yeah, I mean, I've never used it before. I'm not... Yeah, fuck it.
You're trying to thread a needle with a bullet there, mate.
Can I put this at the box? I can sell it.
Try your hand at a new gun.
I mean, might as well, right? I mean, we're not really gonna use it if we have the other scope. So I'm guessing that this scope has like the same range, but even further, you know. So I don't really see the point of having this normal scope. Let me just, before doing anything stupid, let me just check if like it's the same. Okay, so let's do some tests. So here, this is the maximum it gets, right? So not a lot, right? Now let's see how this one works. So this is a normal. This is the should be the same as the other one, and then the third one. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So it does have like the other, like the same other, but one more. Okay, so yeah, we can sell this one. We don't really need it.
Welcome.
Oops.
What you buying?
Let's see. Where's that thing?
Ruby's all rubbish. It makes no difference.
Scope.
The price, well, don't get yourself killed now.
And I think I just scammed him, you know, because he actually gave it for free. Okay. So, who wants to get their head shot off first? You? Got it. Okay.
Right.
And then... Ooh, I missed. There we go. And then you... I need you to move a little bit to the right. A little bit more. Ah, you son of a bitch. Okay. There we go. We're running out of ammo. Can I make some ammo? I do, but I want to have flash grenade. Let's do one flash grenade if we can. Fuck. Okay, there goes my plan. So we're actually kind of running out of bullets. I mean, we have enough, but we're on the lower end of the bullets. So.
She said meeting you once was enough.
Okay. Is there any treasures? No. Oh shit. I think that wasn't. Oh yeah, that was a really bad throw. He didn't even die. Wow. Damn! Neither grenade did anything. What the fuck? Nope. Nope. Don't latch onto him. Okay. Wow, those two were really, really, really bad grenades. It sounds gross. What is it? Is that more of those fucking... Oh shit. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Bullets, money, gunpowder. I think I can now make more bullets, right? No, I can't. God damn it. All right. Gunpowder. And then we can... This part kind of confuses me a little bit. This is what I'm talking about when I say that the castle is a part that I have, like, remember the least. Because this part's a little confusing to me. Especially this part, because I think there's people behind me, right? Yeah, there's people behind me. And there's those fucking things also. You missed, piece of shit. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Ah, what the fuck? No. There goes my... Oh, really? Did it... Ah, okay. I thought it was my, like, actual knife. Fuck out of here. And then... I probably should stop using the shotgun. I'm not actually sure what's the point of having that thing there if they're too far away. I probably should, like, lure them, but then again, that would be kind of dangerous to do. Might as well just shot them right there and there. Yeah, we're kind of running out of ammo. And I can't craft anything. I mean, I can craft rifle ammo, but I don't think rifle ammo is going to be that useful in this part. I'd rather have a flashbang. But I do have a flashbang, right? Yeah. Okay. So I think there should be people. Are there people? Yep. Come on. I hit the other guy as well.
Not bad, right?
It actually was really good. And I think that there are like treasures over here or something. Let's see. Ooh, fuck, dude! Don't. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh. Damn, you didn't die? Okay. Okay. I mean, I guess I can continue, right? Because I think the other door also lead the same way, so yeah. Yeah, I think it was that door, so yeah. Let's just reload. Oh fuck. No. Ooh. Okay. I know there's, yeah. Nope. There has to be more people. Yeah, there's more people. Oh, you know what? I hear someone behind me. Oh my, oh fuck. Okay, you get the fuck up out of here. Dude. Okay. And there goes my bullets. I just had the full fucking clip. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I remember this part. So let's just I just want to have enough things. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be using the sniper rifle, so might as well do that. And do we have anything? No. Okay, so this part is gonna be fun. Oh fuck.
You guys are really starting to become a giant pain in my ass.
Okay. Oh fuck! Oh, that was way too close. I don't think he can do anything here while you're in the ladder. Wow, that sounded really. Oh fuck! That sounded really close. Shit. Okay, there's nothing there. Okay, just. Oh, that actually almost got me in my right arm. Okay. Oh fuck! Okay, go. No, please. What's here? I think this is the first. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. I can climb back up. Fuck. Wait, how do I get back there? Hold on. Oh, there's a weight. Oh shit. Is there a weight over there? Hold on, is there a... Oh, there is a weight. Okay. Shit. Alright. Now, I want you to throw again another rock, or whatever it is. And I want to make sure that there are no enemies. I know that there are enemies, but I just don't see them, so... There you go. Yeah, this... I know that there are enemies here, so... Oh, fuck! And I know that there's another one. Yep. Okay, good. Okay, and then go. Pick that up. Fuck. Okay, let me just combine this. Alright. Oh my god. Hold on. There's people over there. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, he got me. God damn it. Oh, shit. Oh, he got me with a fucking arrow. Shit. Damn. You cock. Ah, fuck. Wow. Wow, really? Okay. That took so many bullets. Okay, now... I don't remember exactly which I had to pull. I don't think I had to... I don't remember, dude. Hold on, let me just... drop here. Oh, yeah, I had to open that one. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go back up. I didn't pick up the money. Fuck! Oh, shit! Okay. And then we're just gonna turn this one. Oh, Leon, come on, don't roll over to the other side. Okay, I need to go up, back up again. Fuck. Oh no, I don't. Okay, good. I flinched. I have to wait. Okay, good.
Yes. Hope it works.
Let's see. You have to pull this. I mean, use this. Alright, I think there's people coming down from down the ladder. I mean, up the ladder. Heart? Ugh. Alright, I know. There's people there, so should I take him out? Screw it. They noticed that the door was locked and they're like, nope, not today. Can I do it if I shoot? No, never mind. It worked. Okay, perfect.
Right.
Hopefully the bullets don't disappear. Alright. There's another weight here. Then
Get ready.
Son of a bitch. Oh, I could have killed him with a cannon. Fuck.
All right. Open for traffic.
That's so funny, Leon. Really, really funny. Okay. Ooh, shotgun shells. I need sniper rifle ammo. Screw it. Hopefully I don't need more flashbangs. No, I think I missed a treasure. Or not. I don't know. Okay. Ammo, money. Right.
Sorry, I've had my fill of you guys.
I mean, it's not the last time we're gonna fight one of those, but okay. I mean, spoiler. This part. Yeah, this is not what I'm looking forward to. Whatever.
Ashley, where are you?
Gold Kentucky. I mean, Gold Tuckin.
Let's stay back. I might hurt you again. I'm so scared. When that happened, I wasn't myself anymore. I was something else.
She must have been terrifying. I know.
You too?
It's okay to be afraid, you know. But you can't run. You gotta keep moving forward. We will beat this. Together.
I don't know if I can.
You can. Just give me a heads up before you stab me next time, okay?
Leon, thanks.
Aw. Chapter end. Typewriter. Let's save on a third. I mean, we can save here, right? This is where we first started, and I already uploaded this one, so yeah, let's save here. Whatever. Okay, let me just check how much have we been recording for.
Luis.
Almost
where
40
are
minutes.
Sorry, I screwed up. Come to my rescue, Prince Charming.
you? I'll show you charming, pal.
Come on. I'm in the ballroom past the courtyard. Don't be late to the dance.
Okay.
Can't believe that guy.
If he's in trouble, we can't just leave him, right?
I mean, I guess. Head for the ballroom. Shotgun shells. Nothing. Oh, okay. Got a lot of shotgun shells. I mean, it's good because we're gonna use them, but the temptation. Should I use it? Well, I'm feeling generous, which is we can just let them bleed. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, this is the first one. Conveniently placed at the beginning. Now the problem, it's what's in this maze. So, so there's 1, 2. I don't even know where the other poles are. So let's just let's just wing it. My problem is like hitting a corner and then just not being the right way and having a dog just fucking appear, or a snake. Oh. Okay. Viper. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Come back, come back. Oh, you fuck. Nope. I rather know where the dogs are, you know, like, because at least I know where they are, you know, like if it's in front of me, at least I know that he is in front of me. But it's way worse when like you only hear them but you don't see them. That's where it sucks. So there's some. I don't think I came this way, right? I'm hearing a lot of dogs, man. Definitely, I'm hearing a lot of dogs. You hear them, Ashley? I hear them. I think there's ducks over here, right? Oh, yeah. Let's shoot them. Ooh, fuck. Ooh! That wasn't the plan. It wasn't. I was actually trying to kill them while they were in the gate. I mean, I killed one, but my plan kind of backfired a little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. There are more dogs. I know that there's more. I hear... There's one on the right too. So let me just try to kill this. Wow. He died really fast. Shut up. I didn't notice that their tail has like bones or like rocks like sticking out of it. I don't know. I mean, probably it's bones, like overgrown bones maybe, but never noticed that. I got like a chessboard. Okay. Hold on, this is the same place where we were before. Let me just reload first. I mean, it's only one bullet, but you never know. You never know what's gonna happen. So, I need. I think there's one more flag here. Oh, there's a dog. Okay, let's just pick up our reward. A box. Okay, there's. Oh no, that's the one we pulled. So there should be. Wait, where the fuck are the other ones? Because I know that there's one like. Oh, there's one over here. Oh yeah, I completely run past it. What the fuck? Okay. And then the last one is the one that's over here, right? Like all the way back. Not over here. Over here, maybe? I'm just afraid of exactly that happening. Oh, fuck. I was about to say that I'm afraid of a dog like jumping out of nowhere. That's a lot of dogs, man. That's a lot of dogs. I should have killed all three of them, to be honest, but... Oops.
Are you okay?
I will be once that dog is dead, so... I'm fine. Okay, we have to go over here. And we're gonna need Ashley to help us a little bit. Oops. That's not the right button.
Here, hold this down.
No problem.
Oh my god! Oh, that scared the shit out of me, dude. Ooh, that got me good. You fucking dog. I didn't even have time to react, dude. The wrong way. Okay. Can you parry that? Like when the dog jumps to you? I don't think you can parry that, but I'm not sure.
Now we can finally get out of this maze.
That sounds so sexy, Leon, when you say it that way. Mumbling in Spanish. They make it sound like they're not saying anything. I mean, it's oh fuck. It's perfectly understandable what they're saying, right? I'm coming, Ashley. I have to just go around this wall. Oh fuck.
Shit.
Oops.
I'll take care of him.
I mean, I'm trying. I'm really trying. Oh fuck.
No!
Hold on. Okay, it's gonna be good. It's just okay. Yeah, I don't know why. Like sometimes even though I try to use my knife, like it doesn't work properly. You know. I'm hearing something really nasty behind me. Oh fuck. Oh. Ooh. Christ. Oh fuck. Oh my god! Come on, you piece of shit. Oh, actually. Ooh. Oh, there's more. Ow. Oh, he hit me while I was fucking. Oh my god! Ooh. Haha, you cock. Wow. Where the fuck you guys came from? And all three of them had the plaga. I mean, all of them had the plaga, you know, but. Wow. That was a first for me. I've never really... Fuck. Those were a lot of enemies for a very narrow section of the game. Oh yeah, in this part I think we can go back, right? I think we can backtrack a little bit and just do like all the stuff that we missed with Ashley. Yeah. Yeah, so let's go back. And let's kind of run through the whole thing. So,
Got some new items in stock.
Good.
Welcome.
What do you have?
Something new for you.
Ooh, okay. Yeah, I want this.
That there's pretty big. Enough to get the job done.
Okay, so let's repair this.
Knife needs kept crossing your T's,
Repair
dotting
this.
your I's. That's the way to be.
Let's do durability
Try that on for size.
and let's sell stuff.
A deal well struck.
We have 2 ornate necklace, so you know what? Screw it. Let's
Anything else come?
sell them. I mean, okay, so we get the most for one of each color. We do have one of each color, so we're gonna try to do that. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this, and let's do this. That should give us. I think that's the more we can do, right? Because we only have 4 of the same color. I mean, not different color. We don't have 3 of the same color and 2. Neither we have 5 of the same color. So I think that's the most we can do with that one. And let's 51k. That's great. Let's do this one as well. I mean, fuck it. So let's put this. No, this one. Oops, this one. Because I mean, when we get to the box, God damn it. When we get to the box, we're gonna We're gonna get a lot of rupees and all that stuff, so might as well.
Welcome.
Probably this is not a smart idea, but oh well, whatever. So I want to do durability,
This kind of work is about finesse.
and then let's do power,
Little bit goes a long way.
and then let's do firepower here as well, or ammo capacity. Let's do ammo capacity.
Dazzled.
And this one, fuck it.
Our craftsmanship.
Now we're broke.
Well,
So
what can I do you for? Pleasant travel.
let's save. Let's save here. And then let's go. Hold on. Okay. Let's go. I mean, there's not a lot of things to do, but there's still quite a few things we can do. So think. Oh yeah.
Give me space.
Okay.
Ooh. I want you to. Fuck. Okay.
Come on.
No problem.
I don't remember if there are more things that we can do as Ashley. I know that there's this one.
It's open.
Thank you.
I owe you one.
We get money. We get a box with money. A file. A Salazar family line has come to an end. In order to cure Ramon's sickness, his mother, Catalina, invited the devil into their home. Inscribed is a brief history of the members that solidified this prestigious bloodline. First generation Count Gregorio, the Conqueror. Gregorio led his men to eradicate the evil that befell the castle. Recognized for his bravery, he was awarded the title of Count and entrusted to keep the demon sealed for generations to come. Second generation Count Ippolito, the Sealer. With great effort, Ippolito sealed away the plague of demons that emerged from the depths of the earth. He succumbed to wounds sustained in battle. Third generation Count Gregorio, the Architect. Driven by irrational paranoia, Gregorio squandered his vast fortune on excessive castle defenses and strange elaborate contraptions. Fourth generation Count Jose Alonso, the Tranquil. Alonso endeavored to restore the family's honor. Fifth generation Count Alejandro the Lavish. What's lavish? Not really sure. Playful at heart, Alejandro had a courtyard and ballroom erected before his untimely death. Sixth generation Countess Maria Isabel, the Lady, Alejandro's widow. Countess Isabel had a long reign before her death at the age 90. Seventh generation Count Diego the Severe. Similar to his predecessor, Diego was exceedingly strict. He was murdered at the hands of the devil. Eighth generation Count Ramon. His illness should have taken him. Okay. What are you grasping at? The fuck?
I wonder how much that's worth.
Oh, but the treasure. I think you saw something. I don't think we need Ashley, right, in this part. 'Cause I think it's just. I don't think we need Ashley in this. Yeah, we can go back. Let me just check if we can. Yes, we can. I really feel safer with shotgun shells, you know. Oops, that's not the right way.
You gonna sell that thing you got?
Oh yeah, thank you for reminding me.
Hello, stranger. Welcome.
Sell.
Got a selection of good things on sale, Stray. Thank you.
Do we have anything for trade? The Chalice of Atonement, Matilda, Treasure Map, Red Barrel.
We like our herbs, we do.
I don't think we do.
Heal him, man. Don't get yourself killed now.
Let's go.
Okay.
Hopefully there's no more surprises. Okay, good. Oh, there's a dog. No, fuck it. That dog can fuck himself. Okay.
Ballroom must be this way.
Rifle ammo.
Look, there's a statue up there.
There's a bunch of statues, actually. I don't know if you've noticed. Alexandrite. And a merchant.
Take a look. Something's
The next level upgrades. Get some good news. Got some good news, mate. I recently procured some high quality tools that can do even more nasty upgrades. Okay, yeah, this is basically.
bound to catch your eye.
There's this blue medallions are a blemish, and I want them gone. Okay, blue medallions, and then we can play again that thing. Okay, so we've been recording for I think for an hour, right? Oh, 50 something minutes. So I think I'm gonna leave it here because this next part is a little long. We have to. This was in the original as well, so we have to get like three like hits of those things. So we're going to be doing that in the next part of the video.
Ooh, breaks over, I suppose.
Oh, I can come here. What's down here? Oh, that's the. No, we don't need that. Yeah, so I'm gonna be coming back here later. Yeah, we're gonna be taking our time in this part. And we're gonna be doing a lot of fight, and then it's gonna be one of the. I mean, I wouldn't say annoying, but kind of like scary parts of this game when you play as Ashley. So,
Welcome.
yeah, I don't think we can tune up anything, right? Because we're kind of broke. I mean, I guess ammo capacity,
A
but
well-tuned weapon can make up for a lack of skill.
what's better, ammo capacity or reload speed? Ooh, I'm thinking. I mean, if we have more bullets, we don't need to reload, right? But if we end up having less bullets, we need to. I guess. I mean, I guess whichever we upgrade, it's good, right? Because one complements the other. So, let's go for. I mean, this is cheaper, so let's go for this one.
Try that on for size. Come back anytime.
Okay, so we're going to. Yeah, we're gonna leave it there, and we're just gonna come back here. I'll probably play this today, later. Okay, so let's just save before saying goodbye. Let's. I guess we can save here, right? We didn't do anything. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great time. I feel that these videos are coming a little bit better each time. I mean, I'm not saying that they're great, right? But I think the more I record, the more experience I get, I guess. And also I tend to watch the recordings that I do, so to kind of like see where I can improve and all that. So I'm getting there, hopefully. So eventually I'll start being entertaining. So okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you had a great time, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys, and bye bye.